microwave and stuff.
Oh, it's dark. I can't see over there.
Right.
You're gonna run me over.
Yeah, I was throwing boxes away, and I remember I took it out and laid it somewhere over there. Unless I took it to the bathroom or...
Where are you going? Hey. Hi. Say hi. Cheese. There you go. You gonna smile for me or not?
Pictures.
Mario.
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 Mario. What's in your mouth? You got candy?
I wish I could see your feet. Maybe if I move. Oh, no. Oh, there we go. You can't get out. Do you want out? You want me to get you out? No? Okay.